Another UP question. Do you prefer the UP style aloo ki sabzi, khasta kachori, puri or Lucknow ke kebab?
Kebabs any day यार. वैसे मेरी because you know जिस लेन पर मैं था, that lane was a lane where there were just गलौटी कबाब की एक दुकान थी जो टुंडे कबाब बोलते हैं, फेमस लखनऊ का, एक चौक में था and अमीनाबाद में भी खुल गया था. And you know when I was growing up, my mother was a very DIY mother, right? So she used to take me in the evening, and like I can tell you, even today, I pride myself that if you take me to a vegetable vendor, I can get you the best vegetables because my mother taught me कि एक बैंगन को कैसे देखते हैं कि बैंगन अच्छा है, right? या अगर आप भिंडी खरीद रहे हैं तो कैसे पता है कि भिंडी अच्छी है. So I think these things were just the ways that you were brought up, and on that route you would pass the famous Lucknow. You know, there used to be a chaat shop. I forget कि उसका नाम क्या था उस दुकान का, लेकिन
बास्केट चाट वो वाली मिलती थी.
नहीं उस जमाने में नहीं. उस जमाने में जो चाट मिलती थी, इट वाज जस्ट अ प्लेस जहां पर सिर्फ चाट मिलती थी, अमीनाबाद में. उसके बगल में एक जगह थी, इसका नाम था प्रकाश की कुल्फी. वी न्यू दैट. नेक्स्ट ये आपको कबाब मिलते थे. एक जगह थी जहां पर आपको निहारी मिलती थी, और चलते एक जगह पे आपको जो था वो बर्फी मिलती थी. एंड बर्फी में अगर आप पड़ान की मस्जिद में, मदर यूज्ड टू गो ओकेजनली टू सॉर्ट ऑफ जस्ट प्रे, उसके बाहर जो मिलती थी बर्फी, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद थी. उसका फ्लेवर कुछ अलग था. तो आई रिमेंबर दीज स्मॉल एरियाज एंड थिंग्स. सो you became, in Lucknow, you became a gourmet first because food was such an indulgent thing. And my mother had almost this thing of saying that Sundays was our special meal day. So Sunday morning I would go and get jalebi, and I would get a little bit of, malai, and we would have jalebi and malai. And my God, you would dunk them. Like, people do Dunkin' Donuts. Hello, Dunkin' Donuts is nothing compared to jalebi and doodh. Right? So it was so much fun. Or my mother used to make this one custard. Even today, when my mother comes, all of 71 years, and I'd be like, please, ever custard bana do. My wife will turn and say, whatever we make for you, but it's a mother's thing. And the city. So even now when I go back, this time when I went to Lucknow, I wrote a post on Instagram about it, that the joy of Lucknow is I went to Lucknow. I was only gone for 3 days to meet my parents because the pandemic was on, and I thought that they just needed my physical presence. Phone pe to baat hoti thi, lekin physical presence chahiye thi. So I went there. First day in the evening, I get a message from my friend who was in Dubai at that time, but his family is in Lucknow. Nihari khaoge? I said, यार तुम दुबई बैठे हो, खाओगे? I said, yes, Nikki और पूछ. Next morning, his 10-year-old son came with their driver. He went in the morning at 8 a.m. to get nihari. This is Lucknow. Yeah. दोस्ती, देखो दोस्ती यारी, आज की दोस्ती यारी है, I'll call you back, I'll text you, I hope you're doing fine. मेरे लिए वो दोस्ती यारी नहीं, बॉस. दोस्ती ये होती है. दोस्ती होती है when you're actually willing to stand with a person through the night. Are you there 4 a.m. emergency friend? ये I'll share your post वाली दोस्ती मुझे नहीं पसंद. वो दोस्ती नहीं, because it doesn't test you. What people turn and say that armchair activism, share कर दिया, tweet कर दिया. नहीं बॉस. Do you have it to be there, be present? And those are the kind of friendships I truly value.